We're here outside Devonshire Hill Primary School. This morning we were at Lancasterian Primary School, both in the borough of Haringey, and we're delighted to be delivering today about 800 Keep Warm kits for the pupils of both schools as part of a drive which we started a couple of years ago, where we have been delivering essential clothing to those schools in the poorest boroughs or the poorest parts of the borough to help children be clothed during Christmas and the cold winter months. Keep warm over the cold winter months. And it really gives us so much pleasure. We've really enjoyed today. We've met lots of pupils. We've had lots of feedback, seen lots of smiley faces, and that gives us a real level of comfort and happiness.
It also just makes us to want to carry on and keep giving more and more to the schools in these boroughs. Each kit today consisted of a woolly hat, a snood, pair of gloves, socks, and a warm thermal vest, all in a sort of a little bag that they're able to keep and use again. And the kids were absolutely delighted with them. They were very, very excited. They all tried them on in their lessons, much to the teachers' dismay, perhaps. But it was wonderful to see, and they were really, really thrilled with them, and we were delighted.
We've just had the most fantastic visit to Devonshire Hill Primary School, where with the Debra Reiss Foundation, we've distributed winter warmer kits for every single child in the school. We are so grateful to the Debra Reiss Foundation for supporting our schools and our families in Haringey at a time when the cost of living crisis is hitting. So a big thank you to Julie and her team, to all the children here who made us so welcome, and to the Debra Reiss Foundation.
Thank you, Councillor. Yes, and I'd like to also say how grateful we are and how thankful we are. It was just delightful to see the children opening up the bags and pulling out the gloves and the hat and the snood and socks and vests. And I know that the parents will really appreciate this sort of token of goodwill from the Debra Reiss Foundation.
Thank you!